While servicing a home in Spring Lake, New Jersey, we came across a large trail of odorous house ants leading up to the bay window of the kitchen. They were going under the window itself and what appears to be nesting inside the walls. Odorous house ants are tiny fast ants that emit a rotten coconut smell when crushed. After baiting the area with a granular bait and a gel bait, the ants went to town and began to feast on the gel bait. If you look closely, you could see them dragging the granular bait into the house. While they are feeding on all the baits, they are also walking over the liquid residual treatment that we applied earlier on the windowsills and the foundation of the house. All of these treatments are designed to allow the odorous house ants to live long enough for them to transfer the treatments among one another. Soon, the entire colony is eliminated.